as well as hit the like button. And for daily market updates, you can join my free Telegram channel. For that, I have given my link in the description box. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to analyze the US dollar index, that is Dow Jones. I am using FXCM data. Okay, right now we are in a monthly time frame. Here you can see that market is consolidating from almost 2015 until the time it's 2021, which means more than like 5 to 6 year market is consolidating within this range. So this is a very strong support. You can see this is a very strong support for the market. But if market fails to break, if market fails to hold this support, then we can see a further downside movement like this, and which is going to be a very crucial movement for the US dollar pairs. Like if US dollars get weak, that means all the base currencies against the US dollars will get pushed upside. That means, like for example, AUD USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, all other pairs will move in a bullish direction. So here I have already drawn two key levels with the help of previous month. This one is a monthly key level and this one is also monthly key level. Let's move to the weekly time frame. Here you can see that the weekly key level is already got broken, like the previous month weekly key level. Let's give this straight. Let me change the color for my reference. I'm making it as a blue. So this is my weekly key level. Here what you can see that as per the market structure, market is making a higher high, higher lows, a lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows. Here we can see that this was previous week and this was our new lower high. We can consider this as a new lower high, and we can draw the fibs from this lower high to this lower low. And where will be the next lower low? As per the fibs, we can see that market can come to this level. For that we have to make it, I just need to change the color to blue. For my reference I will use this, and the number will be around round figure 11580. Okay, that's it. So we are done with the long term target for now in US dollar. Next, move to daily time frame, because we are not going to trade this, so we don't need to find out the possible area to enter. Okay, we just have to find out the targets and the supports for the market. If it holds this support, you can see that I have drawn already one support with the help of this all candlesticks, which are acting as a support for the previous market. As you can see that market got good reversal or pullback from these levels. So this is my strong support for the US dollar. So if US dollar can hold this support, then it can move again upside. But if it fails, then back to the lows, and this will be a second tap on the previous low. Okay, so which will give us more confirmation about the bearish direction. So plan your trades accordingly on the US dollar pairs. Thank you so much guys.